You the baddest, let's face it. Yeah, you and me need to go on vacation, vacation. Take you somewhere beautiful, somewhere we can lay it down, down. I know you love it when nobody is around, oh yeah, I'ma lay it down, down.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So the hair that I'll be working on today is from Ririhair, and this is the cute packaging that their hair came in. So inside, once you open the box, the first thing you get is a card with all the hair information on it. The card has all the hair details and specs and all of that. And then inside we have our wig, and they also send you a cute little brush. This is a really cute gold brush because I'm sure I'm obsessed with gold, you guys, so I found this brush really cute. And then they also send you 2 stocking caps. And then finally we have our wig. So this is what the wig is looking like. You guys can see the wig has so much body, like you could tell in the camera how nice this hair is just from looking at it. Now this is what the inside of your unit looks like. The wig does come with 2 detachable straps on the inside. That's what you're looking at right now. So as you guys can see, the straps does have 2 clips on it, so you are able to remove these straps if you don't want to wear your wig with it on it. Also, the knots does come bleached, so I really like that. And right now I'm just showing you guys what the wig looks like straight out the box before I go ahead and color it. Now I'm just whipping up some bleach together, and I'm going to be applying this to the entire unit because I do want to give the hair like a slight lift so that once I apply the hair dye you actually see the color, because I feel like if I just do the water method with the hair being as dark as it is right now, you're not going to see it. So it's literally just a waste of time. So that's the only reason I'm applying bleach to the hair, is just to give this hair like a really slight lift to where that color will pop once it's time to apply it. And I let the bleach sit on the hair for about 15 minutes, and as you guys can see, like the hair was completely bleached. Like it wasn't like a light blonde, but it was light enough to where I know that the color was gonna actually show up on the hair itself once I was ready to apply it. So for that reason, I didn't leave the bleach sitting on the hair for too long. And then once I was done, I only rinsed the hair with some water and shampoo. I didn't use any conditioner just because I know I was going back in with some more color. And then yeah, I got straight into the water method once I was done rinsing the hair out. So for this color, I did use hot boiling water. You guys know usually I don't use like boiling water like that. I would use like lukewarm water, which always works for me. But because this unit was already wet, I was like, okay, maybe I need something hotter. Anyways, I used the Adore semi-permanent hair dye. I used the color called Fuchsia, which is like this really pink burgundy looking color, but it's more on the pinkish side. Pinkish purple, I would say. But all of this hair came out looking nowhere close to the color that I wanted. Like I honestly could have just bought red dye if I knew this hair was gonna come out red. And I honestly could have sat up here and lied to you guys and tell you guys that, oh yeah, this was the color that I was going for, knowing damn well this was not the color that I was going for. But with all that to be said, like I ain't perfect. I didn't go to school for none of this, so I'm still learning, and I'm still trying to teach you guys a little knowledge that I know myself. So just keeping it a buck with y'all. But yeah, in the ending, I honestly like the color, how it turned out. Like it was really cute, so I'm not tripping about that. But like just for future references for myself, like for colors like that, I would definitely use just like platinum blonde hair to achieve that color that I was going for, and just to make my life a lot easier so I don't have to go through that whole bleaching process again. Okay, so I have my wig here. This is now the wig after it's been dyed and dried overnight. This is what our wig is looking like. This is the color that the hair came out. I actually really like the color. Okay, so this is pretty much the wig. This color is actually really cute. I honestly feel like it looks a bit like a ginger red color. Now, while I let you guys watch how I install the hair and lay the baby hairs and all that good stuff, I'm just going to read you guys some details on this specific unit from Ririhair. Now, this is their body wave virgin Brazilian lace front wig. The hairline that I got this unit in is a 18-inch. The hair color was a natural color, and the wig density is 150. The cap size that I got this unit in is a size medium. The lace color was a light brown. The hairline did come pre-plucked, and also the knots did come bleached, as you guys saw. So yeah, overall I would say this hair is absolutely amazing. I love the quality, the texture of this hair. The hair is really soft and nice. So now to secure my wig, I am going to be using the Got to Be Blasting Free spray, and I'm just going to spray this around the perimeter of my hair and dry it, and then lay my wig into it. Not too sure if I have a coupon code that way you guys can save some coins on this unit, but if I do, I will leave it listed down below in the description box for you guys as usual. Yeah, everything will be listed down below in the description box. So if you guys do have any additional info, comment down below, let me know, and I'll be sure to answer all of your questions. Alright you guys, so this is pretty much day here now that I'm done with styling it and installing it and doing all of that. I must say I really love the way that the color turned out. The hair is really soft and nice, I give it that. Took the dye so well. As you guys saw when I was bleaching the hair, I put it on and immediately the hair was changing colors once I put the bleach on it. So the hair is really easy to dye. I don't think you guys will have any problem as far as dyeing and coloring this hair. So hair is just beautiful overall. Like, it's really silky, it's soft and nice. I really like it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feeling this color on me. Just like a really cute fall color. I'm really loving the color and the way that this hair turned out. Mind you, I was going for like a bit more, I would say purplish pinkish, if that makes any sense. But like the actual fuchsia color is what I was going for. This came out more burgundy reddish to me, but it's really cute. I'm not complaining. But I think, so I guess because I didn't leave the bleach on the hair that long, why, you know, it's this color. But I'm not complaining. I really like how the color turned out. It's really cute. Like I said, the hair is really soft and nice, so you guys will not have any issues with that. Comment down below, let me know how you guys feeling this color on me, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.